Okay.
That's a great question.
Gee,
Oh my goodness. At this point.
Oh, I'd love to dance. I still do.
Bring it down. Bringing it down.
Being with my boyfriend and my little dog. He's so adorable. And we've just been doing different activities together with him, like taking him to the dog park and we're getting him trained and stuff. So having that bonding experience with him and my boyfriend is really fun.
Spending time with my dog. I love my dog.
Dogs. I like to look at dogs.
I love dancing. So I dance tango and salsa.
Without a doubt, hands down, I get a little emotional. My daughter brings me the most joy.
Uninterrupted playtime with my granddaughter.
seeing my grandchildren.
My grandchildren, they just do,
True joy is just, being outside, no cell reception, no connection to culture or people that are, plugged into society. Just remove yourself completely.
Quality time with my fiance, going for a hike, maybe something very simple, watching a really nice movie, and just relaxing and knowing that we have each other and we can just enjoy our time together. I think it's very simple. It's very, very simple.
At this stage of my life, sleep brings me the most joy.
I would say getting together with my friends brings me the most joy.
Probably have to be just working on myself. There's something about, just developing myself to be able to help other people.
Every day brings me joy. I wake up feeling happy. I am so happy that people will even talk to me, particularly younger people. I'm shocked that younger people will talk to me.
I loved sword fighting when I was a youngster, about age 9 or 10. And we also took garbage can covers for shields, and we would sword fight for hours on end.
I just liked skateboarding and riding my bike. Rode with my friends. I wasn't interested in games.
I lived in a suburban neighborhood, and we would play football right there on the street.
I was 5'8" by the time I was 10 years old, so my family said, "You're gonna be a center."
Board games, that was a time when board games was a thing, and so we played Twister and Connect 4. Those were the times.
Monopoly.
My family used to love playing Monopoly. I didn't really enjoy it. It was fun because it's, family game night and all that, but my dad always won, and he'd always talk trash.
There were points when, my cousin owed me, literally $15,000, and, theoretically, there's not that much money in the game.
My father taught me chess. We enjoyed playing chess. I loved playing cards like Casino.
My favorite game was Tecmo Bowl. That's a Nintendo game.
Sonic the Hedgehog 3 with lock-on technology, Sonic and Knuckles.
I think my favorite board game when I was a kid was this one. I don't even remember what it's called, but you get all your girlfriends together and there's fake dudes or fake hunks, and you pick up a phone and you call them and you get asked on dates. And it was, I don't know what it was called, but definitely played that as a kid.
Lately, I've been sewing. So that's kind of been, my mom was a sewer. I just got a sewing machine. So I've been, tailoring some of my older clothes. Later in life, I started painting and working on clay, and I get lost doing that stuff. So I would say that didn't start until in my 40s.
I like sewing, making jewelry and crafts and things like that. I like roller skating. I'm a very big fan of roller skating.
Listening to ASMR, if you guys know that. I listen to it before bed. It's really soothing and it's not weird.
I now play ukulele and bass. I got injured in 2018 on a job and I couldn't work for 8 months. I straight up learned how to play 2 instruments with 0 musical background.
Probably playing the guitar. I started playing last year, and thankfully I was able to learn quick.
I really am enjoying cooking now. I find a lot of joy in that.
The hobby I picked up is basketball, is because I wanted to do something where I felt like I knew nothing. And it feels nice not knowing anything because you're discovering.
Joy is sometimes it unexpectedly takes you to this place in which you feel that nothing can get better than this feeling.
All right, it was great.
Come on, right?
Nice. Thank you. Thank you.